We got to have a strategic plan on how to eliminate our debt, because this is war. Listen, according to recent studies, Black families are 61% more likely to carry unsecured debt. It's credit cards, medical bills, student loans, car notes, personal loans, etc. And the debt becomes a generational anchor, dragging our kids and their kids down with us. The Bible says a good man leaves an inheritance to his children's children. Not a good man leaves debt to his children's children. And the reason why a lot of us, specifically within the African-American community, cannot leave a inheritance to our children's children is because we were so stuck on having the nice things and not having a strategy with our money. So when we pass, yeah, we got a little life insurance policy, but we didn't amass wealth to where we could put that wealth on top of the insurance policy that anchors and sets our children's children up to be even wealthier than us. And I talk about this a lot, so I'm not going to harp on this too long. But we seriously, and I mean this, y'all, seriously, we can't be passive about this. We must be strategic and aggressive.
What's going on, fam? Hey, listen, if you're serious about getting out of debt, building real wealth, and creating a life of freedom, this is your home. I want to personally invite you to subscribe to the channel right now, because every single week, we're dropping videos that will help you take control of your money. It will help you shift your money mindset and break money generational cycles. You see, this channel isn't just content. It's honestly a movement. Over 1 million people have joined this community over the last 4 years. I'm still blown away by that, to be honest. And our mission is bold. It is to eliminate $1 billion in debt and build $500 million in assets by the year of 2050. We talk real money, real freedom, and real legacy here at the table. No fluff, no credit card hacks, just the truth that will set you and your family up for a better financial future. Do yourself a favor and join this family, join this movement by hitting that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and join this journey, because this is where financial freedom begins. Let's get back to the show. Hit that subscribe button.
Debt keeps us stuck. Debt keeps you and your family stuck, but ownership sets us free. Ownership sets you free. Are you hearing me? This is not a game. This is not me just screaming for no reason. This is an all-out war against the system trying to keep us down. Doesn't it alarm you that they reward you for being in debt, but then they penalize you with a credit score if you don't have any debt? Oh, wow, you borrowed $10,000, you're paying the minimum back. Oh, wow, we're going to give you 800 credit score. Oh, wait, no, we can't reward you. You're not playing the game. You don't have any debt, so we can't reward you. Oh, Anthony, the credit score just simply means that, you're showing them you know how to pay bills on time. Well, wait a minute. Shouldn't you examine my whole life then? Shouldn't you examine my rent? How come my rent payment is not automatically considered inside of the score? If I'm paying $2,000, $3,000 a month in 2025 for rent, that should be going towards my daggone credit score. If I got to pay car insurance, which is required in every single state, and if I'm paying that on time every single month, that should be in my daggone credit score. If I'm getting a paycheck and I'm putting 10% inside of the paycheck, that should be inside my daggone credit score. If I'm investing and putting 15% into a mutual fund, an index fund, a Roth IRA, that should be inside of my credit score, because I'm showing you I can pay bills on time, I can save money, and I can invest. So if I do go buy a home, how come that can't be considered a part of my credit score? Doesn't that bother you that the system is not designed to set us up to win? It is designed to keep us in debt. Don't get it twisted. I believe that we all need an 800 credit score. This is why I'm doing the research on and using programs like Adobe, using programs like a Kickoff that can help us. Get a credit score. How do we play the game? But we or the person playing the game, and we're not a piece of the game. So since we got to have a credit score to get a lower interest rate on a mortgage, to get a lower monthly fee for our car insurance, I'm going to play the game. I'm going to go to Kickoff. I'm going to pay them $5 a month, and I'm going to get me an 800 credit score. I'm going to go to Dobler, let them clean up my credit report, and let them add a trade line to my credit report that doesn't require any debt. Just pay them $10, $15 a month. Boom, I'm straight. I ain't got no debt. As a matter of fact, I don't know what we're showing on today. Ed, run those two right now. Run those two ads right now. And I need y'all to get on that game.
Building credit the traditional way is slow and confusing. And most credit cards want you to rack up debt just to boost your score. You see, I used to think that you had to choose between staying debt-free or having a good credit score. But, here's what I've discovered. There's actually a way to build credit without any credit checks, without going into debt, and without paying crazy interest fees. And it works faster than I thought possible. See, my friends at Kickoff, they are the truth. They are doing something different. They help you build credit the right way without the debt trap. I've seen people go from no credit to a 700 plus score using their system, and they did it completely debt free. Say it one more time, completely debt free. Over 150,000 people have left 5-star reviews on the App Store. Users see an average of 34 points increase in their credit score. Some even see, watch this, up to 84 points within the first 12 months. These aren't just numbers. These are real people getting approved for homes and getting better interest rates. Here's the truth. Every month you wait is another month of paying higher interest rates on everything. A good credit score can save you a lot of money, thousands on a mortgage, hundreds on car insurance, and even help you skip the security deposits. Don't let bad credit cost you money. I want you to visit anthonyoneal.com/kickoff right now to get started for as little as $1 on your first month. I want you to build credit the debt-free way because your future self will thank you. What's going on, family? I want to thank my friends over at Dobly for sponsoring today's show. You see, with rising rent, inflation, and high interest rates, your credit score matters more than ever. Whether you are trying to buy a home or just qualify for an apartment, it all starts, honestly, with having good credit. You see, this is where my friends at Dobly AI comes in. Watch this. It's a 100% free app that helps you build, fix, monitor, and even protect your credit with no confusion and no stress. Just smart AI-powered support that works 100% consumer debt-free. Dobly AI helps you build credit fast, helps you fix errors quickly, and stay protected with weekly updates, real-time alerts, and here's the best part about it, a $1 million ID theft insurance policy. Here's what I love about Dobly. On average, users are seeing about 34 points go up when it comes to their credit report. No credit card required, and premium members average an 82-point boost on their credit score. The better your score, the more you save, and the more you get approved. Listen, I need you to go check out my friends over at anthonyoneal.com/Dobly. Again, that is anthonyoneal.com, DOVLY. If you're tired of hearing no because of your credit scores, it's time to take control with my friends. Go check them out right now, and let's get back to today's show.
Here's number 4, y'all. Here's number 4. We talked about getting out of debt. We talked about making sure that we can get, our credit score at a good place that doesn't require us to borrow money. Now, number 4 is, if we're going to really change this wealth gap and really go there, we got to start investing in appreciating assets. Because once you've tackled debt and you built a good small cushion, the next step is investing. Now, some of y'all are thinking investing is for rich people. Stop. No, it's not. Just stop right there. It's not. For many Black families, 60% of their net worth comes from home ownership. But we also need access to the stock market, business home ownership. I mean, not business home ownership, but business ownership and a good real estate portfolio. Here's how we start. And I need y'all to write this down. Maximize your employer 401k match. That's free money if you're not doing it. Invest in a good index fund and beginner-friendly platforms like Moomoo. We should have it up right here. Go to anthonyoneal.com/Moomoo. Put $50 inside of it. They're going to give you 5 free stocks. If you put $100 in there, it's 100% easy and there's no crazy fees. You can have a platform today and you're investing in it and get free stocks. And then after that, man, I want you to seriously explore some real estate opportunities. This is why I bring guests like the Coalition Group Properties on once a month to show you how to enter the real estate game. This is why I also bring my boy Courtney on once a month, because he can help first timers confidently start investing from scratch. If you all have some good questions about this is good. Keep watching because I'm gonna bring them on.